Welcome back, everyone. So glad you are joining us today. We have Charlene from the Soybean Commission, and she is here to show us how to make a cool, crunchy soy wrap.
It is National Soy Foods Month, and I thought this recipe, which was a winning recipe from the Kansas State Fair.
And it was Joyce Conrad from Hutchinson, Kansas, who made this and won the award.
And she got first place. So I thought, oh, this is a great one because it's spring. It's a light meal that you can serve. And what I have in here is the edamame that we've cooked and cooled. We have the golden corn, which is like white and yellow corn. And then this is the veggie crumble. So that is like the soy protein. We'll just mix that up, and then we're going to add some sweet bell pepper.
I mean, this is so good for you.
Oh yeah, and green onion, and look at all those colors. Isn't that pretty? And then we'll put in the dressing. This is 1 cup of Italian dressing. This is the creamy variety, and stir this up. And if I was doing this at home, at this point, you would let it set for a little bit, put it in the refrigerator, and the flavors are all blend. So maybe about an hour. But then at this point then, she gave a choice of either using lettuce and using a lettuce wrap or a tortilla. And I let you pick the one you would like to have. And we are just going to put that in there and then sprinkle it with some of the soy nuts. And that's the crunch that adds that in there. And then we're just going to wrap that up.
That's going to be a good little texture, I think.
Fold those ends in if you like to, rub it up. And you know, there's so many different kinds of tortillas. There you go. You have an easy lunch.
Look at that. Shane, look what you have, buddy, for lunch. It's healthy, too. We started our diets this week.
Oh, you did?
So I'm trying to help
him.
So
this is perfect.
Yes, this is perfect.
Because this is low calorie. We have the nutritional analysis with the recipe. They can call the soybean office and get copies of the recipes and the soy information for this month, or they can go on the website and get it right immediately.
I love it. Now, I like how you tucked your ends in there.
That kind of keeps it so that when you slice it in the center, keeps it from coming out.
The end.
You can do either way like that.
Perfect. Do you ever look and see how many calories your dishes have?
Yes, and I'm glad you said that because we have the nutritional analysis there. This is only 239 calories.
And 239, Shane.
Is
that in the wrap?
That's with the lettuce wrap.
Oh.
So then you'd add the tortilla in.
Okay.
But that's not very much either. And you'll have the whole nutritional analysis there.
Well, wonderful. And you can find all that there. Well, thank you very much for being here. This looks good. We will be right back.